Did you hear about it?
About what?
About the Chandrayaan-3.
What's that?
Ooh, is it a newly released movie?
No, Chandrayaan-3 has landed successfully, making India the fourth country to successfully land on the moon and the first to do so near its south pole.
That's so fascinating.
Wait a minute. Chandrayaan-3? What happened to Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2?
Now, there's a tale to tell. Chandrayaan-1 was launched on October 28, 2008 from Sriharikota. Chandrayaan-1 was sent to the moon in a series of orbit-increasing rounds around the Earth for 21 days instead of launching on a direct course to the moon.
Wait, why wouldn't it take a direct route to the moon? After all, it takes lesser time, right?
Oh wait, I remember my dad talking about this earlier. He's a physics lecturer, you see, and...
Is that all necessary?
Alright, sorry. Anyways, any spacecraft returning to the Earth can rely on its thick atmosphere, providing enough friction to slow down before touching down safely. However, a spaceship entering the moon does not have that luxury because of its extremely thin atmosphere.
I see. Anyhow, this mission was successful, wasn't it?
I heard a rumor saying that Chandrayaan-1 intentionally crashed the moon.
Not at all. Chandrayaan-1 landed on the moon, but it lost connection to ISRO on August 28, 2009, and ISRO called off the mission.
You see, this mission planned to see if the theories of the south pole of the moon were correct.
Wait, what theories? And why the South Pole?
You see, scientists have discovered that the South Pole is unique because it has many craters which do not receive sunlight and have ice. And in 2008, when Chandrayaan-1 crashed into this South Pole, it confirmed the presence of ice.
Whoa, then what happened to Chandrayaan-2?
In 2019, Chandrayaan-2 was launched and tried to land, but failed because its lander deviated and crashed. Luckily, one part of Chandrayaan-2, the orbiter, which had an instrument to gather information about the moon, is still functional. That's why the orbiter wasn't included in Chandrayaan-3, which kept the cost lower than Chandrayaan-2.
Whoa, I didn't know that. I guess I need to brush up on my general knowledge.
Let's take a look at the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3.
We can see the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who is here to encourage us, and he is critically looking at the visuals.
जी हाँ, आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं कि हम लैंडर मॉड्यूल.
This is so unreal. Our country has definitely hit a milestone.
India has moved forward so much that they have now launched Aditya L1 to the sun as well.
I know I won't be speaking for myself when I say we're all proud of this huge achievement.
Most definitely. Unfortunately, it's time for us to leave.
This is Nivedita,
Rudrika,
Lasya,
Haziel,
And Leandra signing off. Thank you and have a marvelous day ahead.